Hi, I'm John Hinchy, a consultant with Logan Consulting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create editable grids in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. One of the great features of Microsoft Dynamics CRM is grid functionality. This is the ability to view other entities from a form as if acting as a window. So for example, we'll navigate to Accounts, and you can see that there's a contacts grid which allows you to view contacts from the account view. Same goes with opportunities, same goes with cases. These are known as subgrids. A recent new feature is the ability to edit information directly from one of these subgrids. This is called an editable grid. This is easy to set up. You just need to be a system admin. You click Form, and in the back end of the form, you can see the grids, contacts, opportunities, cases. So let's update cases to be an editable grid. From here, you just need to click on Controls and Add Control. If you scroll down the list, you see Editable Grid. Click Add, and Add to Web. Click OK. Save, and publish. Once published, we'll refresh our screen. From here, on our contacts form, we'll scroll down to Cases. And now, you can see that Cases is editable. We could change the case title directly from here. Any of this information, if it's not locked, is editable. Be careful when using editable grids, as you don't want people always changing information, but this can be a very useful feature and help save time and efficiency. For all of your Microsoft Dynamics consulting needs, visit our website at loganconsulting.com. Email us at info@loganconsulting.com or call us at 312-345-8800.